Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Mga kabunyog, binanata ni Boying Rimulya si Attorney Jimmy Bundok, itong DDS na lawyer singer, ha? Bakit? Sabi ni Ombudsman Boying Rimulya, tungkol kasi dun sa controversial na statement ni Jimmy Bundok. Sabi kasi ni Jimmy Bundok, kung si Trillanes ay pwedeng mag-serve ng warrant, bakit daw sila hindi pwedeng tumanggap ng warrant of arrest? Kaya sabi ni Jimmy Bundok, bilang abogado daw ni Bato, pwede niya naman daw tanggapin na lang yung arrest warrant. Wag nang ano, wag nang i-serve sa wag nang i-serve kay Bato. Kanila na lang daw. Sila na lang daw bahala bilang mga lawyers ni Bato.
I'd just like to point out, because he was
Hmm.
running in the stairs and, even tripped. They were trying to serve the warrant on him.
No, they were not. They were not in possession of the warrant. Then they admitted that. In fact, Melvin Matibag said to Cayetano that we will give it to you, and then sabi niya, hindi, sa Tuesday na lang, and then next time na lang, and then next time na lang. They did not serve as a warrant, no? So until it
But if we'll be arguing till tomorrow. But just
No,
the
but
same,
that's very important
no,
to
no, no, no.
concede, eh.
What is important is why Senator Bato left the supposed protective custody of the Senate to go missing. Yun po yung issue. Ba't hindi po niya harapin?
no, serve
Yun
as
yung-
the warrant.
yun yung tanong po. Yun yung, in the end, the most important question. He showed
think
up to vote, to unseat, to vote, to cast his vote for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as president, who was behind our withdrawal from the Rome Statute. He was foreign secretary then, correct? And then to go missing after, it seems it's unbecoming, to say the least.
A little correction, it was the president, of course, President Duterte was
Of
the
course,
chief
sir,
architect.
pero
Siya yung nag-withdraw. Ngayon, pagdating po
but
kay
we thank you
Senator
for your
Bato,
time. I'm sorry we do, one final explanation na lang po kung pwedeng maikli na lamang.
well, we are just waiting for the government authorities to serve us a personal service po nung warrant, and also
Paano
we
po
await.
kung wala na nga, missing na nga si Senator, paano isi-serve?
That is the purpose of the lawyers, ma'am. We are his legal counsel. Ma'am, I hope you don't ridicule us, ma'am. Now we're doing our best to
I'm
be
not.
work
You're
earnest with
saying you want the
No?
government to personally serve, but
Yes.
he ran
Yeah,
away.
to us.
He ran away.
Abogado po kami. Abogado naman kami. Pwede naman po sa amin. Pwede
So
naman po.
that is what you want, to serve it to you,
Yes,
and then
yes,
ano pong gagawin
yes.
ninyo pag
Oh,
na-serve
eh,
na
di-
sa inyo?
Then we will follow
You'll produce
accordingly.
him? You will produce
Then-
your client?
Well, I can't assure that because I'm not Bato, but we will of course definitely serve the warrant on our client. Kasi po ayaw nilang sundan yung sistema. They're
Okay,
not
so
following
well,
the law that they're invoking.
this is what you're saying. You are willing for the government to serve the warrant on the legal counsels, and you will do your utmost best to produce your client. Did I
Pag
understand it
dadaan po sa
correctly?
proseso, no? Dadaan po sa proseso, sa PCTC and all that, alam po niyo yun. I'm sure you've heard all of that. Pag dumaan na po sa tamang proseso and competent judicial authority, then pwede na nating pag-usapan ang pag-appear ni Senator Bato.
Nag-ani yan ng mga reactions ng mga netizens at ng taong bayan. Abogado ba ito si Jimmy Bundok? Paano niya naman siya na lang daw tatanggap ng arrest warrant tapos siya na lang siya na lang magbibigay kay Bato. Ano ba yan? Ano yan? Sabi nga ni dating Senate President Drilon, hindi naman yan summon. Kung summon yan o subpoena, pwedeng tanggapin yan ng lawyer. Ipapaalam na lang sa kliyente. Pero hindi ito warrant to arrest ito. Ibig sabihin, mga autoridad ang mag-aaresto sa kanya, law enforcement. Aarestuhin siya. Doon mismo sa akusado. Doon mismo 'yan. Hindi naman pwedeng abogado ang daanan niya. Sabi kasi ni Jimmy Bundok, siya na lang daw o sila na lang daw ng mga abogado ni Bato ang tatanggap ng warrant. Kaya lang nung nasukol si Jimmy Bundok, ang sabi niya, bakit si Trillanes pwede? Bakit kami hindi pwede? Sabi ni dating Senate President Franklin Drilon, eh, akala yata ni Jimmy Bundok summon yun. Hindi, warrant of arrest yun eh. Ah, Sabi naman ni Ombudsman Buying Rimulya, nang nag-aral yata ito, wala yata siya, hindi nakinig eh. Kasi pang first year yung mga concepts na yan. Ang warrant of arrest, sino ang pwedeng mag-serve niya? Hin, ano? Hindi pwedeng abogado. Hmm. Kaya ito mga kabunyog, sabi ni Ombudsman Buying Rimulya, wala eh, hindi yata nag-aral yan, hindi yata napag-aralan ng abogado na yan yung sa yan ng warrant of arrest. Eh. Siya na daw bahala, hindi pwede. Kaya natawa si Ombudsman Buying eh. Binanatan itong si Jimmy Bundok. Hindi, to mga kabunyog? Binanatan ni Ombudsman Buying. Sabi niya, ano ba naman to? Ano ba yan? Nag-aaral ba talaga ng abogasiya itong si Jimmy Bundok? Paraan niyang hindi Yun ang observation na ni Ombudsman Buying. Duda tuloy siya. Ano ba talaga yan? Nag-ano ba talaga yan? Bakit niya sinasabing pwede yun? Napaka-basic nun sa mga principles ng batas. Hindi pwedeng ibigay sa abogado ang warrant of arrest. Tapos siya na lang bahala sa kliyente niya. Nagpapatawa itong si Jimmy Bundok, sabi ni Ombudsman Buying Rimulya. Okay, mga kabunyong mga kabayan, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay po tayo.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog, bunyog, bunyog.